Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Lee Kum Ki LKK Chili Oil. Best chili oil overall. Lee Kum Ki LKK Chili Oil, sometimes simple as best. After trying out 14 different chili oils in a variety of dishes, we pick Lee Kum Ki LKK Chili Oil as the best overall.
Make your mark, take our lead.
But chili oil from restaurants just seems so much tastier. They taste very savory and have this amazing fragrance. They smell much brighter and zingier than homemade chili oil, which smells smoky and earthy. They don't fall flat in taste either, it's like I can taste layers of seasoning in it too.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Chili crisp is an oil-based Chinese condiment made of pepper flakes, fried garlic, and fermented soybeans. Mix up a dipping sauce. Embellish noodles. Make eggs extra. Spruce up sandwiches. 5 chili crisp brands to know. Splash on fresh fruit. Spice up dark chocolate. Use as an ice cream topper.
Let's help you make your mark.
Chili oil is used in the pan as a cooking base for meats and vegetables, as a spicy dipping sauce for rolls and dumplings, or drizzled over almost anything. In any way it's used, chili oil packs a hot punch with every bite.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Spicy chili crisp, on the other hand, can be thought of as a jazzed-up version of chili oil. When you first open the jar you'll see a layer of oil, but when you dig into it, you find the crunchy goodness just below the surface.
Take our lead.
The acid itself helps with fast cell growth, especially if you are pregnant. Chilies help with reducing heart diseases because it contains a high level of potassium. The elements itself help with easy blood flow throughout your body.
Take our lead.
Chili crisp is an oil-based Chinese condiment made of pepper flakes, fried garlic, and fermented soybeans. It's commonly used on dumplings and noodles, but can also pair with sweets like chocolate and ice cream.
Take our lead.
6 months. Allow the chili oil to cool before storing in airtight containers in the refrigerator. Always use a clean utensil when handling to prevent spoilage. It can last for up to 6 months if handled in this way.
Let's help you make your mark.
Products called chili crisp, as opposed to chili oil, typically have a higher ratio of particles in them than oil. Those particles are the chili flakes, and often garlic, shallots and any number of other ingredients and spices that are sizzled in the oil to infuse it, becoming crispy in the process.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.